Hey my friend, what's going on? So in this video I want to talk about how AI replaced my entire team and saved my business. If I told you that I rebuilt my entire business without hiring a designer, a copywriter, without hiring a marketer, or even hiring an assistant, would you believe me? Because that's exactly what I'm gonna show you. After losing millions of dollars, I couldn't afford to rebuild the same way that I did years ago. Back then I had a virtual assistant, I had editor, I had designer, developer, marketing people on my team. But today, my team look completely different. My team is made up of AI, and today I want to introduce you to every members of my AI team and how I'm able to build without a real team, but it's even faster and better. So a few years ago, if you look inside of my business, you will see all my real team members that are working every single day. I had graphic designer doing graphics, copywriter writing copies for me, different developers that's creating app, a virtual assistant. I had a project manager. So every person, they had a specific responsibility inside of the business. As the business grow, so does my team. And honestly, that's how I thought a business is supposed to build. The bigger the business get, the bigger the team get. Then everything changed. I lost almost everything. I made bad investment when I started making money. I trusted the wrong people. I made decisions that cost me millions of dollars, and then everything fell apart. I couldn't afford to have a team anymore, so I had to let go of everybody. The same way I had to let go of people that was helping me make money, and that dried out. So I ended up not being able to hire new people. I couldn't afford to rebuild the same way anymore. Hiring another big team simply wasn't an option. So instead of asking who I can hire, I started asking what AI can do to help me. That's one question that completely changed my business. I attended an event and I saw what people was doing with AI, and I said, hey, I'm gonna implement some of the stuff and see what it can help me. Today I want to show you what my team looks like completely different. Instead of hiring another graphic designer, well, I built one. Instead of hiring another copywriter, I built one. Instead of hiring another researcher, I built one myself. Instead of hiring another software developers, guess what? I built one. I'm gonna show you here. Let me jump into the computer what it looks like with my team. So most people, when you think about AI, you think about ChatGPT. This is where you come in, you write something. But look, if you look at my ChatGPT here, I got a bunch of different team members. So let me introduce you to some of my team members. For example, I have a team member that helps me create graphics. Now, before I show you everything, I want to make something very clear. I'm not saying that AI is gonna replace everything. I have an entire AI team built my business. I still believe that people are replaceable with the value that they bring. What I'm saying is, when you're rebuilding from zero and you don't have the money to hire a full team, AI give you another option. It allows you to start building first, and then later you can hire the people as your business grow. That's completely different. That's a different mindset than, because you're always gonna need people. There's something that people brings to the table that AI can't bring. So that being said, let me show you my team, for example, here. See, if I want to create a graphic here, I can come here and tell my graphic designer, hey, I need a YouTube thumbnail. Let's say I need a YouTube thumbnail. A YouTube thumbnail for my new video. Can you make it? Now I would get very detailed if I'm using ChatGPT, but because you're a designer, whenever you make it, you will be able to upload everything that a designer would need. So it will be a smart designer. Then they will be able to create something more amazing. So let's say you need graphic for YouTube thumbnail, for Facebook, for branding ideas, creative concept. This AI already understand my style. Instead of me explaining everything from scratch every single time, it already know what it needs to create. That alone just saved me hours per week, right? So even though it gives me this picture of this girl, I'll just tell her, please add my picture. So you see the picture that it gives me is just someone else, some random person inside of the thumbnail. But I'll tell it, hey, this is this is for another channel that I'm building. This is one of our AI clone that one of the AI assistant that we use. But I'll just tell it, put my thumbnail in there because it's my video. Then they will know to do that because you train it. So you're a lot smarter for the ideas that you're trying to create because you actually trained it. Okay, so the second team members that I have here is Rosie. You can see she created my emails. So if I'm creating emails, she does all my email. I have another AI assistant here that create prompts for me. For if you're someone that don't know how to do prompts, that can help you. Then I have a research assistant. Instead of spending hours searching Google, watching videos, reading articles, trying to organize my information, this could do the job, and then I could focus on something else. So AI helped me do research, summarize everything. That organized me to work a lot faster. Rosie, who's my email specialist, whenever I reactivate my email list, that's who I'm gonna be using. This AI is gonna help me write campaign, welcome sequence, launch email, weekly newsletter that I can send out. Everything to stay organized and stay consistent. Okay, now here's something to think about. Most people completely have the wrong idea about AI. Most people open ChatGPT and ask random questions like, hey, what should I get going for today? And then they close the window. Then tomorrow they do the same thing. It's the same repetitive task. That's not how I use AI. I don't think of AI as one chatbot. I think of it as a department inside of my company. I'm going to show you something even more powerful. So if you look at here, I create a whole AI team. So this, everyone in the AI has a responsibility. So here, if I'm talking to my CEO, because I have my CEO here, I have my COO, then I have my business coach, and I can have everybody inside of a room. So let's say you want to create a new course, right? Let's say you want to create a new course. I can literally come here and say, hey, I want to create a new course that teaches people how to use AI. And then I can send it out. I can literally have a meeting with multiple different people and they can delegate the work. I can come here and talk to my CEO and tell them, hey, this is what I want to create for the day. And what he's going to do, him on his turn, he's going to go ahead and talk to everybody else and tell them, hey, this is what's going on. Cater, I love the idea of a new course. Let me clarify this before. So they'll keep everybody in the loop. They said, Esther, she's going to be creating the curriculum. Nelly is going to be creating the prompt. So give me the target audience. So now you give it some information with the target audience, entrepreneurs. So the cool thing with this is it already created the modules. You can see like Esther created the module. So module number 1, this thing is gonna create everything for me. So that way I don't have to think so much into what's gonna happen. And that's the beautiful part with using AI in your business every day. That's exactly what I'm doing. So I don't try to build 11 employees, in just one day. So if you want to do this, let's say you want to build a team. So figure out the people inside of your business, what they do for you. You start with one. Ask yourself, what's going to be the one task that I repeat every single day that this one AI agent, or people call them agent, but me, this is a team member. What is this AI team member can actually do for me? Maybe it's writing, maybe it's research, maybe it's social media, maybe it's customer support. Maybe it is someone that can follow up with your people for you. So you build an AI specialist and every day you use it just that specific task. Then you build another one. Then you build another one. That's exactly how I built my team. Okay. One thing I want everyone that's watching this video to understand is that everything that you see on this channel, this is things that I'm actually doing. I'm not teaching theory. I'm documenting my comeback. Every workflow, every system, every AI employee that you see, every lesson is stuff that I'm currently using. Every mistakes that I'm making, I'm showing you guys exactly how I'm doing it. You watching me rebuild my business right in front of me, right in front of you. So honestly, I think this is a lot more valuable than just pretending that I'm an AI expert, like here's how to use Claude, a bunch of prompts and stuff like that. I mean, you can go to other channels and watch these types of video, but this is just to keep me accountable. I'm teaching you exactly what I'm doing and how I'm rebuilding my business. If this stuff is valuable for you, let me know in the comment. And also, if you would like to get some prompts, on how to create some agents for yourself, like how I'm using for mine, leave a comment down below. Say I'd like to get the prompts, and I can message you the prompts. It's not hard to do, but I want you to tailor it specifically towards what you're doing. But if you want my prompts, how I create my agent, leave a comment down below. Let me know, and I can send that to you. Because a lot of people ask me, "Hey, Cater, are you eventually going to teach all the stuff?" The answer is yes, absolutely. Right now, I'm building my AI community, my school community. Inside of it, you will be able to get all that. It's not fully ready yet. I'm going to teach you the system, the step-by-step, the prompts, the workflow, the strategy, all the tools, everything. But I want to build it myself while I'm rebuilding my business, because I want everything that I teach to come from real experience, not like theories. You see me stuff I'm showing you right now, I'm using them every day inside of my business. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure you subscribe, because every single day I'm gonna come here, drop more lessons for you, teach you exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm building, what's working, what's not working. I'm gonna show you the win, the losses, the mistakes. I'm gonna show you the numbers. I'm gonna show you everything. So no fake screenshot, no rented Lamborghinis. This is real stuff, no pretending. This is a real journey, and I tell you how much money I lost. I'm rebuilding my business, building my business with AI. So before you go, make sure you subscribe. I have one question for you. If you could hire an AI employee today, what would it be? Would it be a graphic designer, a copywriter, a marketer, someone that does research for you, or maybe something completely different? Leave your answer in the comment. I read every single one of the comments, and who knows, your answer might be the one that inspired my next AI employee I built for my own business. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you find anything valuable. Are you gonna be using some AI to build some agents, build you some team members, and take you to the next level? That was your boy Cater. I'll see you guys later. Pound that. Let's go.